Hello doctors and medicos. I'm Dr. Murli Bharadwaj, a physician, passionate medical teacher. I had the fortune to mentor and inspire 2 lakh medical students for the NEET PG, FMGE, USMLE and the MBBS exams for the past 22 years. I always believed in one philosophy, a philosophy that any exam preparing student, what is his need? He needs a good study partner who can sit along with him and study every day. More than any coaching center, more than any coaching guru, what a medical student requires is a classmate and a study partner. That is the reason I become a classmate, study mate, benchmate, roommate, and study every day with all my medical students, at least 1 hour on a live broadcast. I invite you all to download the Incus learning app and you post 3-minute learning videos every day on mnemonics, concepts, the revision points, the topper's tips, etc. etc. Incus learning app is like TikTok in education. TikTok is of course for entertainment, but Incus learning app is 3-minute learning videos. You get surgical videos, clinical case presentations in 3 minutes, and the revision points for the exam, everything. Thousands of 3-minute learning videos. So don't forget to download the Incus learning app.